2000 Chevy Silverado 1500. What we got done on it, it's got aftermarket converters before. Then it's wired into a single 3-inch. Then we put a FLOWMASTER FX, 3-inch to 2.5, with 2.5 tailpipe, not 2.5, I'm sorry guys, 2.25 tailpipes. Out the back, mandrel bent into quad tips, right there and right there. That's the FLOWMASTER FX right there. And a wide pipe after, so we can dual it out. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. It's gonna sound phenomenal. There it is. There's a sound decibels on it. About 100. Not bad at all. Perfect sound. I want it right. Yeah. Not too loud, not too quiet, just smooth.
Just right.
Those Flow FX give it a really nice tone.
Yeah.